Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to make a encryption program and decryption program using small basic. So let's click run and click message and just type any message. For instance, I will copy paste my CD, my magical jelly bean, my operating system information, and then I will choose key from 0 to 1. I will change. I will try 1, and I will click proceed, and I will have two windows now, the GUI and the text window or window. In the GUI is the same with the in the text window, and you can also look for the original message here in text window, and the process here. That is, first character is W and ASCII code. That ASCII code is 87, and the cryptic character will become X. So Y become X, and I become J, and N become O. You can D become A. You can guess what happened to your character, and O become P, and W become X, and S become T. And this is happen when you choose the key is 1. So when you choose the key, so click run again, and you choose any message, for example A, and you choose the key become a 3, and it will become D, because the character A will be the ASCII character of the ASCII code of A is 65, will be 83, and it become 60, 68, and 68 is D. You can search in your uh, ASCII table. ASCII table 60 code 68 is will be D. And so let's check the code. So for instance, the first line is I will show the window, graphic Windows.Show, and I will define the uh, even when the button click it, I will go to get text sub. So this is sub get text sub, and so let's see the in this part. This is the placing the controls. So if we look the UI, we have one a text here, and we have one multi-line text here. We have uh, uh, key text, and we have a line box, and we have text encrypted message, and multi-line box, and multi-line text box, and the button. So one for instance, I want to show you that if I choose can you can choose OK 100 and click proceed, and to decrypt this, you need to copy and need to delete this all, and you need to minus 100, click minus 100 in this key, and you will get back your you will decrypt back your encrypted message. So this is useful for encryption and decryption. So go back to code editor. So I add the text message to the windows. So this is message text, and I add text box, and then I move this text this the message text to coordinate 0.0, and then add a multi-line text box, and give and press that in the 0.20 coordinate, and give name mtb, and I add text shapes on the that that have a caption, or the text that have text caption, called K key, and I call this quick test, and I move, and the ninth, I move the test text to coordinate 0.120, and next the line 10, the 10th line, I add text box and move that to 0.140 and give name key, and I add text, and I give name encrypted message, and I give caption encrypted message, and give name guest text desktop. I'll give more. I move the desctext tree to coordinate 0.163, and and the second last there I will add the multi-line text box, and I put it in 0.180, and I call it mtb2, and next I add button, and I call it proceed, and I press the button on the one coordinate 0.280, and I call it, and I didn't call the button anything, so just create. And next we'll discard subget text from this, and the subget text when you is invoked when you press button. So basically we need to take the text of this message and convert it and take its character of this message and convert and check its each character its ASCII code, and then add the ASCII code with this key. For instance, I will add 100. I will message A and put the 100, and A is so A is 97. A is 97 code, and I will press add with 100, so it will be 197, and the encrypted, and then I get the character from this ASCII code 197. It is this A. So that's the how the sub work. So since the lines 19 is I get I get the text box text of mtb text, and then put it in mtbt variable, and I get the text box text key and put it in the keyt variable, and I will put some message to some text into the text window right line. This is that show the original message before encrypted, and this is a loop for, and basically this is what we have. We take one by one character and then convert it to the ASCII, and then edit to with the keyt. So mtbt first we get subtext of mtbt, this mtbt, its character one by one, and put it into an array of one. So, and then we take and then we put when we text information text string on the text window character, and the character that we just cropped. So basically we crop a character per one character, and then we get the character code and of that character, and then put it in the GC, and then we add GC with the key information that you just entered into this key into this key multi-line editor, and then we get the character back of that GCYK, and put it into the array of GCE, and then we output the ASCII code of the GC that we just take the ASCII code of the text mtbt of the mtbt, and we output the encrypted character the GCE I. So this is basically telling you the get character the encrypted. So E this is encrypted, and GC is get character. So this is N4. This is changing the text to yellow and put the encrypted message string to the text box, and this is to uniting encrypted character string from array. So this is basically text window write GCA. Text window will write its if character of its array, its index to the string to the text window character, and we 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 unite the this is the lines uniting the character back. So and then we put the text of mtb2 of the result, the end result of encryption text. So let's try this one more time. So you can say testing and then put key 24, for instance, your birthday day, maybe birthday date, and then click proceed, and you get this message. So let's try one more time. Click testing and you get 24 and click proceed. This is no good. So there's something wrong. So let's try testing. Key 2 and then you get this. So if you try 24, get nothing. If you try 21, okay, I add the encryption text to equal double quotes here, code to make the encode the text variable is become empty again after you just put the text value to getTextBoxText, or uh, you just transfer and the insert the value to TextBoxText too. So let's try. We will try testing and testing. This is my text, secret text, and you give the value 24 and get this value, and you can copy that and paste it here, and you change the key to -24. You can test this. So there's problem with X. So that's basically how you can use this software. So click run and let testing. So don't use key. Maybe you can use. There's some key that error. So like that, we just encrypt only 2 characters. So this is error. So if you choose 100, you will not error. So copy back that message to again and change the encrypted message again. You can get testing. You can give this message to, for instance, today we meet at the 10th Avenue. So this is secret message, and you just choose key and click proceed, and you get this one. You can give this to your friend and make sure your friend have this software again, and it will decode or decrypt the 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 text. So for instance like this, you just paste this text that you have decrypted and you tell the key is 100, and so he will put the -100 and then click proceed. Today we meet at the 10 update. Become your original text. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you.